So I thought I would do a little video on some of the Christmas DIYs I've been doing. So with cut-offs from the old Christmas tree, I made a garland, and I just kind of used a hot glue gun and grabbed bits of plants around the house, like faux plants, and just hot glue them on with a bit of flour so they look very I want it to be sort of ethereal but festive and pretty and just very soft looking. And I added 3 mini baubles there and a wire light, very light, all through. So, but I think it needs its battery changed. And then I made this wreath with the same sort of cut-offs that I used the pliers to cut them off. I think that's about 6 little stem cut-offs from the old Christmas tree. And I did the same technique with cutting off bits of flowers and plants, the fake ones. And then there's this rosemary plant that's gold that I got from Spotlight that I've used to accentuate like the gold. And some mini flowers from Spotlight as well. Yeah, I think it turned out really good. So the back of it looks like this. It's where you can see the wiring. I used a chicken wire to keep it all in place. But yeah, that's how it looks from this angle. Yeah. And I made Arabella a little festive hairband. It was sort of spur of the moment because she already has one, but I wanted to make some. So that's what the back looks like. And that's the front. And I had her wear it this morning just to see, and it looked super cute, so I'm really excited to take some photos and get some footage of her wearing this. And then the other thing I made that I'm really happy with, focus, are these little deer ear clippings. So that is my holiday DIYs. That's all I'm making. I thought about making earrings, but I think that's all I'm gonna make. I think I'll try earrings next year. But yeah.